Kamusta na kayong lahat? I have missed doing cooking vlogs. Sobrang simple, grabe. Ang sarap. Really good. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my kitchen. You know, it's been a while since I have done a cooking vlog, but today feels like a perfect day for a comeback. You know, I really missed sharing my recipes with all of you, and sana na-miss nyo rin ako. I think na-miss nyo ako kasi sa Instagram, marami na nagko-comment doon na balik na ako sa pag-vlog ng aking pagluluto. So, I thought, why not? Why don't I return with something very comforting and super easy? So today we are making pasta with cream cheese. It's rich, it's delicious, and it's perfect for a very quick but satisfying meal. Pero meron akong disclaimer. Meron akong kwento. The last time I have cooked this was maybe 20 years ago. Yes, could be even more. This is one of the pastas that I've learned from Tita Silvia Reynoso Gala, and andito siya sa aking baul. Meron akong parang baul ng mga recipes. Iba na nga ang kulay niya ngayon. Pero ando dun siya. And I said, I have to share something really quick and easy for all of you. At naalala ko itong recipe na to. Kaya, walk with me as I go through this recipe. The ingredients are very simple. All we're going to need is, of course, yung ating spaghetti noodles. But of course, you can use linguine, you can use fettuccine, you can use any kind of noodles. But I love spaghetti noodles. You're going to need 1/4 cup of butter. We have 1/2 cup of sliced button mushroom, 1 cup of chopped parsley. Alam mo, pag nag-squint yung mata ko, ang ibig sabihin nun, mahinang-mahina ng mata ko at hindi pa ako nag-eyeglasses sa harap ng inyong camera. Pero yun ho ang dahilan. 1 cup of diced chicken breast. Yung chicken breast niluto na po namin, pinakuluan na sa, syempre, sa salt and pepper. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper, pero alam niyo naman ako, pagdating sa pepper, hindi ako nagti-teaspoon. I'm sorry, this is the pepper. And we need 1/4 teaspoon of basil. Then, we have our 1.5 cup of all-purpose cream and 1 cup of grated cheese. So, any kind of cheese. Ito ang star, actually, ang cream cheese. Okay, isang 225 grams of cream cheese. Okay, so ang unang gagawin ko, I will first dice the chicken. I have clean hands. Yan, sarap po. Okay, since we're going to dice it, sometimes we really need quick and easy meals. Okay. Kamusta na kayong lahat? I have missed doing cooking vlogs. Talaga namang na-busy lang tayo for the past 1.5 years. But I still want to thank people because kahit na hindi ako nagpa-vlog na ng madalas, patuloy niyo pa rin pinapanood dahil nakikita ko naman sa aking dashboard. So thank you very much for that support. And I'm going to try to be better now. I'm going to try to vlog more often. We're just going to do 1 cup of this. Sarap gawing ano to chicken sandwich spread. Alright. I have already diced this. Ang gagawin ko na lang is kasi I'm gonna use this later, no? I'll make it smaller na. You know what? I find myself using a lot of cream cheese sa mga niluluto ko. It is a staple. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and then let's go. I'm going to start na the fire. Ganon kasimple. Luto na actually yung pasta. Kaya ilalagay ko na yung aking mga ingredients na kailangan. Okay? And this is a very simple recipe because wala na nga tayong gisa-gisa ng mga onions and garlic. It's very simple. Okay, let's put it all here. We're going to first saute or put the butter. So, napakadali nito eh. Nahiya naman ako. Ang bilis-bilis lang nito. Okay, after the butter, we are going to, saute the button mushroom. Okay, so it's just the butter. And then let's put 1/2 cup of parsley. Chicken, diced chicken. So, cook naman siya. We're just going to cook it. Some salt. Okay, for those of you who are wondering what happened to me. Okay, so for the first few months, I have been busy. So nawala ako for a few months because I couldn't really post at the time. And then for the whole of July, Eric and I took a UK trip, which I'm going to share snippets with you. And then after that trip, when I got back, that was always almost a month. When I got back, ako naman ay merong flu. So because I had the flu, this is the cream, the all-purpose cream. Okay, so we're going to put, again, the salt, basil, the dried basil. We're gonna add some pepper. Napakasili. Talaga naman. Yan, painitin natin ng konti. You know, I have noticed, mga most watched vlogs are either iba-ibang luto ng chicken or hindi kaya ang ating pasta. Ayan na! Teka, gusto ko siyang tikman kasi ayokong mapahiya. Masarap ng amoy. Okay. Kulang ako. Kulang. Let's put salt. Okay, buti yan. Tinitikman-tikman. Para, oops! Teka, ilo-lower ko na yung fire. Lower the fire para hindi masunog. Lagay ko na si pepper. Okay. Actually, I'll turn it off. It's very hot na. Because while I turn it off, I'm going to put the 225 grams of cream cheese. So let's just try to avoid the lumps. So ayan, mag-melt naman na siya as we... Ayan. Sobrang simple, grabe. Why don't you, sa comment section, share nyo rin yung mga paborito nyong mga pasta dishes. Sobrang dapat madali. At yung hindi masyadong maraming ingredients. At baka pwede namin i-feature sa vlog yon. Yan. Malapit na rin ang Pasko, kaya malapit na rin ang ating Christmas vlogs. Okay. Tikman natin. Let's try. Mukha hindi na tayo nag-lunch eh. Ito na yun eh. Oh my gosh! It's success! Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto kong gawin pa. Huwag ko nang i-overthink, no? Ang sarap! Okay, it's really good. I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna put it over here. Meron na akong cooked noodles. Look at that! Nilagay ko na yung noodles dito. Lagay ko na lang noodles dito, ha? Hindi ko na siya ipapyrex kuno-kuno. This is the best. It's really good. Okay, wait, ha? Look at that. So there's a lot of diced chicken. Yan. Look at that. Grabe. Alam mo, this is so good. Okay, so when you have guests, it's best served hot. Of course. See? Ang daming chicken na yun, ha? Yung 1 cup na yun. Grabe, no? Very simple. There's no garlic now, wala ng onions. We're gonna put melted cheese. This is over. Wow. Okay, we're going to try it. This is amazing. Okay? Eto na, ang exciting part. Siyempre, kailangan tikman na natin. Is it a success? Sumakses ba tayo? Yum, yum. Let's try it. our pasta and cream sauce. Let's put some chicken. Ang sarap. Really good. Mmm. Mmm. Ang sarap. So thank you so much again for joining me in my kitchen. It really does feel so good to be back cooking and sharing with you. If you have missed my vlogs and there's more you want, please let us know in the comment section. What recipes do you want to see next? Do you want more of our chicken, pasta, desserts? Wag masyado sa cake, hindi ako marunong ha. But please don't forget to like, to share, and for those new in the blog, please subscribe so we can keep on cooking together. So see you in the next one. Bye!